Good morning. I welcome you again in Love Math Sessions. This is Quadratic Equation session number 1. Today, in this video, we will be understanding what is quadratic equation, standard form of it, and will be able to solve question number A, B, C, D from page number 1. The worksheet sent to you, you can open and check. We'll begin now. See, in terms of solving linear equation, the test, everything was really very fine. If you're even getting less score, don't worry. You can try it again. You can resolve the questions. But right now, let me tell you, quadratic equation topic is going on. Begin from the first, concentrate and properly understand. For any sort of doubt, the first go itself you have to contact me. Otherwise, later on that becomes difficult. So be serious, don't be casual for this, and try to complete it as honestly as possible. Okay, let's get started. So let's know what is quadratic equation first of all. As I know, the equation means there is some variable and equal to sign. We call it as simply equation. 2x plus 3y is equals to 0. As we know, it is called as a linear equation. Same way, 3x minus 7 is equals to 5 is also an equation. Both these equations are called as a linear because the highest power of the variable is 1. Now, if I want quadratic equation, then I can go for this way. X square minus 7x plus 5 is equals to 0, quadratic equation. X square minus 7 is equals to 0, a quadratic equation. X square plus 3x is equals to 0, again a quadratic equation. X square is equals to 0, also a quadratic equation. X square is equals to 5, it's again a quadratic equation. So simple. So these all are considered to be quadratic equation. You can understand the reason. The highest power, that means degree of the variable, is 2. We call it as quadratic equation. So it's very clear. Got it? Let's not waste time in this late part. It's so simple. So you can easily identify now what is quadratic equation, right? Now let's talk about what is standard form of quadratic equation, which is quite important in this topic. Standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. There are few important points of standard form of quadratic equation that you need to understand. First thing is one side is always 0. Very, very important. If you miss that, then you will not able to solve the quadratic equation. Every time you have to bring all the equations in the standard form, that means one side equal to 0. Second important property of this standard form is it has got only one term of x square, only one term of x, and constant term. That's very important. You should not have two terms of x square. You should not have one term of two terms of x. Always it should be one. Clear? So we call this as a standard form of quadratic equation. Your first question says that are the following equations are quadratic, and if yes, convert it in the standard form. So I'll try to solve few questions. We'll discuss one by one. You have to actually understand all these questions in one go, and then together you will be solving it. Ready, everyone? Let's see. First equation is x plus 1 upon x is equals to 5. Now, is it a quadratic? Quadratic means, as you said, as you know, it should be having x square term, right? It doesn't have. But if I simplify it, it might get that. So first of all, let me simplify. Simplifying means what? If I multiply by x to all the terms, as we used to do in a linear equation, multiplying x to all the terms. So I have to multiply this complete equation by x. So what do I get? I get x into x is x square plus 1 upon x into x is 1 is equals to 5 into x is 5x. Now you can understand whether it is quadratic or no. Yes, it is quadratic. But it is not in the standard form because one side it is not having 0, any side. So if I bring 5x this side, I'm going to get quadratic equation standard form, x square minus 5x plus 1 is equals to 0, and that's it. I got the answer in the standard form. So easy, right? Second question. We'll complete it fast. Let's not waste time. 2x square minus 5x, and it's clearly quadratic, isn't it? It's clearly quadratic. So let us see whether it is possible to bring it into standard form. So it is going to be 2x square minus 5x is equals to 0. One side is equals to 0, right? But do you think it's a standard form? You might say no, because C term is not seen. But yes, it is a quadratic form. C term is 0. Got the point? Clear? Let's go for the next one. Third one. Third one says that x square plus 1 upon x square is equals to 2. As like a first one, if I multiply this also by the denominator, that is x square, if I multiply this equation by, I get x raised to 4 plus 1 is equals to 2x square. What do you say? Is it a quadratic equation? It's not a quadratic equation because degree is 4, right? So it's not a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic. This is quadratic equation. So I don't have to write in the standard form. It's okay. Just I'll leave it. Okay. Next one. Next one is yes, it's nice question. Fourth one. Fourth one says that x minus 2 the whole square is equals to x square minus 5. So when I see this is that the first time, it will be clearly seen that it is a quadratic equation, isn't it? But let me simplify it because there is a perfect square here. I'll just simplify. Open the bracket. A minus b the whole square formula. I'll put x square minus 4x plus 4. I hope you don't have problem to solve or to expand this. X square minus 5, right? See, fortunately, x square and x square is getting cancelled. What do I get? Minus 4x plus 4 is equals to minus 5. What do you think? Is it a quadratic equation? It's not, right? Fifth one. Let's try the fifth one. Fifth one is x minus 2 the whole cube is equals to x cube minus 5. It's similar to the previous one, only we have a cube this time. X cube minus 5. Right. Cube, a minus b the whole cube. I know you all have got this identity, a minus b the whole cube. I'll just say a minus b the whole cube is equals to, I'll write here if you want. Okay, color change करता हूँ. A minus b the whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. I'll use that. So it is x cube minus 3 into x square into 2. So it is 6x plus 3 into a into 4. 3 into x into 4. So it is 12 minus 8, 2 cube is equals to x cube minus 5. X cube and x cube is getting cancelled. Sorry. 6x square it would be. A square it is. Okay. Anyway. So what do I get? Minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8 is equals to minus 5. Let me just erase this. Do you think it's a quadratic? Yes, exactly. It is quadratic. If it is quadratic, I'll bring it into the standard form. That's it. Nothing difficult. The standard form means what? One side is 0. Keep in mind, one side is 0. So I'll shift this 5 this side. I get minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3 is equals to 0. That's it. Standard form of quadratic equation. But there is some, you can say, unwritten rule that the first term never should be with the negative sign. First term is always should be positive. That means this term should be always positive. I'll make it positive. How can I make it positive? Changing signs of all the terms, which is allowed. Simple. Change the sign of all the terms. So I get 6x square minus 12x plus 3 is equals to 0. And that's it. The quadratic equation as well as in the standard form. I hope you understood this. Easy? Correct? Let's make things bit difficult for you. Okay? In the coming questions. What is the next question? Next question says that 6-1. X square minus 2ax is equals to a square minus b square. Now this becomes a bit difficult. See, it is an x, so it is a quadratic, that is for sure. I have to bring in the standard form, that is also clear. Standard form means what? One side is 0. Other things you don't have to worry for. So bring one side is 0. What do I get? X square minus 2ax minus a square plus b square is equals to 0. Hope you understood that. Right? That's it. Done. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. You will ask how? I'll tell you. One side is 0. Okay. One term of x square. One term of x. Right? And remaining is constant. This is c. So here I can say a is equals to 1. C. B is equals to minus 2a. And c is equals to minus a square plus b square. That's it. That's it. So isn't it in standard form? It is. Okay. Done. Let's go for the next one. Seventh one. Seventh says that kx into bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. Multiplying this by this by this. Right. Let's try. So what do I get? Kx square minus 2kx, right, plus 6 is equals to 0. Is it in the standard form? Yes, of course it is in standard form. K is your A, minus 2k is your B, and 6 is your C. So simple thing. Now can you try 8th and 9th? So I keep 8th and 9th for you. Maybe difficult, you may consider it as difficult, but try it. Okay? Hope you can do it. Fine? Okay. So now you understood about standard form of quadratic equation. Let us know about solution का मतलब क्या होता है? Solution of quadratic equation. Very interesting, very interesting part. What do you mean by solution? First of all, one need to know the meaning of solution. Solution का मतलब क्या होता है? So for example, if I go for 2x is equals to okay, just a minute. 2x minus 4 is equals to 0. What do you mean by solution of this equation? That means what I do, I go for 2x is equals to 4, x is equals to 2, right? This is solution. I say x is equals to 2 is a solution. This is solution. But solution का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of solution is, if I put the value of x into this particular equation, it should be equating, it should be true, it should be satisfying. So put x is equals to 2 here, 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 is 0. Yes, it is satisfying. This is called as equation solution. Equation solution. Right? Got it? In the same way, the quadratic equation also has got solution. Same way. So for example, if I take x square minus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0. It's a quadratic equation. Check out. Is it quadratic? It is in the standard form. Yes. Solution matlab, what is it? So what is the meaning of solution? Let x is equals to maybe 3. We'll check for 3. If is 3 is a solution, means what? I have to put the value of 3 into the equation. Put the value as 3 into the equation. I get 3 square minus 7 into 3 plus 12. What is that equal to? 9 minus 21 plus 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. 20 minus 21 is 0. 0 is equal to 0. Isn't it? So therefore, x is equals to 3 is solution. Right? It's solution. I hope you got it. So it's a simple approach, very simple approach, like a polynomial in your 9 standards part. Same thing, put the value. Okay, only last year we used to consider this as the root of the equation or a polynomial. This time we are going to call it as solution of the equation. That's it. Okay, only with this concept you can easily solve B, C, D question. So what I can do is, I will tell you B question, C and D you have to try. Okay, it's an introduction, easy part. Today only this much we'll be completing. Okay, so I'm talking about question number B. I'll tell you what is to be done. Question number B says that if you have got a worksheet in front of you, if 2 is a solution of kx square minus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0, you have to find the value of k. Right. So if I put k into 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 3 is equals to 0. So 4k minus 4 minus 3 is equals to 0. Hope you understand. I just took the wrong value sign here. See, this happens. Okay. So 4k plus 1 is equals to 0 it is going to be. What is k? 4k is equals to minus 1 and k is equals to minus 1 by 4, and that's the answer. In this way, you can solve question number C and question number D as well. Hope you can try that. It's difficult, but not for you, isn't it? Okay, so today, that's it. I'm not sending you next video. Today, complete this. Today, I'm not doing so many things because I'm sure you are not still completing your science part. So, for maths, it is enough for today. For science, worksheet number 2, you have to complete. Okay, so today, one more day I'm giving you. Science, worksheet number 2, you need to complete today itself. Okay, got it? Got the point? As well as these questions of quadratic equation. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.